Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Looking to give your Squarespace website a professional edge with a custom favicon? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add, update, and personalize your favicon on Squarespace. By the end of this video, your site will look that much more polished. Trust me, a simple favicon can make a world of difference in how people remember and recognize your brand. Let's dive in. So first things first. Open up Squarespace and head to your dashboard. The dashboard is kind of like your mission control, where you manage everything that makes your site tick. Take a moment to make sure you're logged into the correct site if you've got more than one active on your account. Now look towards the lower left corner of the page. That's where you'll find the settings button. Go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if you need a second to find it on Squarespace. The interface keeps things tucked neatly away, but once you know where the settings live, it's smooth sailing from here. Once you're inside settings, you're looking for favicon. Some folks might call it a site icon. That's the tiny image that shows up next to your site's title in browser tabs, bookmarks, and even mobile search results. It's a small detail, but it's one of those finishing touches that really adds polish and helps your site stand out from the crowd. So click on favicon and you'll see an option to add your favicon image. You've got two choices here. Select an image you've already uploaded or hit the upload button to bring in a new image from your computer. Here's a tip. For best results, use a square image that's at least 100x 100 pixels. Most favicons are quite small, so simple, bold graphics tend to work best. If you're uploading a logo, try to keep it uncluttered so it looks crisp at those tiny sizes. Take your time choosing the right image. You might want to preview how different options look before you commit. Once you've settled on an image, go ahead and confirm your selection. If you ever change your mind, you can always swap it out later. Squarespace makes it easy to update. Next up, you'll see an option for dark mode. This is an increasingly popular feature since more folks use devices on dark mode these days. It's a good idea to add a version of your favicon that works well against a dark background. If your site has visitors who use dark mode, giving them a favicon that's easy to see is a thoughtful touch. Simply repeat the process by uploading a different image for dark mode, or stick with your original if it works for both. Your choice depends on your branding and design. When you're satisfied with both your regular and dark mode favicon selections, the very last step is to hit save. Don't rush this part. Make sure you see the confirmation, that way you'll know your changes have been set. Sometimes favicons can take a little bit of time to show up after saving, especially due to browser caching. If you don't see it right away, that's totally normal. Just refresh your browser or check again in a few minutes. And that's it, you're done. Your Squarespace site now has a custom favicon, giving it a unique and instantly recognizable look wherever it's seen online. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about favicons or Squarespace, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help you out. For more website tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss a video. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing your site.